Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest skincare products. Today, we're diving into the world of retinol with a product that's making waves for beginners everywhere. Say hello to LilyAna Naturals Retinol Cream. If you're new to the world of retinol or looking for a gentle yet effective option, you're in for a treat. LilyAna Naturals has crafted a retinol cream that's perfect for those starting their anti-aging journey. Let's talk about what sets this retinol cream apart. Packed with a powerful blend of ingredients like aloe, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and green tea. This cream delivers maximum moisturizing strength without the dryness often associated with retinol products. But what really makes this product shine are its triple-duty beauty benefits. Not only does it fight wrinkles and signs of aging, but it also helps minimize the appearance of acne, redness and scars. Plus, it's gentle enough for all skin types, even sensitive skin. And here's the best part. It's formulated with clean, vegan, non-toxic ingredients. No artificial fragrances, sulfates, parabens, or phthalate here. Just pure goodness for your skin. But don't just take my word for it. Customers are raving about the results they're seeing with this retinol cream. From smoother, softer skin to reduced fine lines and wrinkles, the proof is in the pudding. So, how do you use it? Simply apply a small amount to your face, eyes, and neck after cleansing, and you're good to go. And remember, always wear sunscreen during the day as retinol can increase sun sensitivity. In conclusion, if you're looking to dip your toes into the world of retinol or need a gentle yet effective option for your skincare routine, look no further than LilyAna Naturals Retinol Cream. Your skin will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more skincare tips, tricks, and reviews. Until next time, stay glowing.